If you are new, then subscribe our channel Techno Trend and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Techno Trend. I am your friend Sam and today I'll tell you about some latest Jio updates pooping around. Can Jio take on China's Huawei, Tencent, Xiaomi? So let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
Ambani's 4-year-old Jio Platforms Limited has indigenously built its own 5G technology, the tycoon announced at Wednesday's annual general meeting of his flagship Reliance Industries Limited. After testing it on the 400 million 4G customers he has in India, he'll offer it to other markets. The News18.com website, also controlled by Ambani, called the technology a Huawei killer, and noted that U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo had praised Jio as a clean network for not using the Chinese firm's gear. Alphabet Inc. CEO Sundar Pichai made a virtual appearance at the Reliance AGM and pledged $4.5 billion for a 7.7% stake in Jio and a chance to build an Android operating system. WhatsApp, the messaging system of Facebook Inc., which has given Jio $5.7 billion for a near 10% stake, will drive commerce. WhatsApp's popularity, and its ability to handle payments in real time, make it a perfect platform for Ambani to build a super app like Tencent Holdings Limited's WeChat, connecting brands with customers. The 300,000 Reliance investors who watched the AGM on Jio Meet, Ambani's cloud conferencing clone of Zoom Video Communications Inc. As Ambani wants to emulate several successful Chinese firms at once, the country's policy makers want the same thing for the broader economy: make India the world's factory, by lodging it into the growing chasm between the West and China. But neither the physical infrastructure, nor most of India Inc.'s balance sheet, is ready. After the pandemic, everything from a broken financial sector to grossly inadequate worker housing, healthcare and social security will compete for fiscal sops from a government trying to retain its tenuous investment-grade rating. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, during its 43rd annual general meeting, AGM, showcased a new mixed reality solution, called Jio Glass. At the event, the company did not reveal the pricing and the availability details about the product. However, they did showcase a demo as to how the Jio Glass will work when it is made available to the public. RIL has stated that the new Jio Glass is designed for teachers and students to enable 3D virtual rooms and conduct holographic classes via the Jio mixed reality service in real time. Apart from this, they can also be used to perform virtual meetings. Ambani, he still has to demonstrate that one company can be India's answer to everything, from Zoom and Tencent to Huawei and Xiaomi, while also being a large telco like Verizon Communications Inc. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel Techno Trend for more updates.